Keeping our little ones engaged in the classroom can be a challenge, but with the right tools, it can be a lot of fun. Here are 3 tools that can help. First, there's ABC Mouse. This online learning platform offers interactive games, videos, and activities that align with the kindergarten curriculum. It's a great way to keep students engaged while learning. In my school, we use something called Lexia. Next, there's sensory bins. These are colorful containers filled with different materials like sand or rice that students can explore with their senses. It's a hands-on way to keep students engaged and curious. Finally, there's Read Alouds. Reading alouds to students not only helps with their language development, but also keeps them engaged and interested in the story. It's a great way to spark their imagination. So there you have it, ABC Mouse, sensory bins, and Read Alouds. 3 tools that can help keep our kindergarten students engaged and excited about learning.